Have you ever wondered what sets a professional, high-quality tractor apart from the rest? The answer lies in the details, the precision, the craftsmanship, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. At Cropilots, we believe that the journey to a superior tractor begins at the very first step, cutting and blanking. Our CNC cutting and blanking workshop is where the magic begins. Here, we transform raw materials into the building blocks of your future tractor. But this isn't just any workshop. It's a testament to our commitment to precision and quality. Our state-of-the-art CNC machines, guided by skilled technicians, ensure each part is cut and blanked with an accuracy of up to 0.01 millimeters. Yes, you read that right. We're talking about a level of precision that's thinner than a human hair. This is the kind of precision that ensures a perfect fit, smooth operation, and long-lasting durability in every tractor we produce. But we don't stop at precision. Our workshop is also a hub of efficiency. With a processing capacity of over 10,000 parts per day, we're equipped to handle orders of any size. Whether you're a small family farm or a large agricultural enterprise, we have the capabilities to meet your needs. So, why should you care about our CNC cutting and blanking workshop? Because it's the first step in the journey of creating a tractor that's built to last, designed to perform, and tailored to your needs. It's where we lay the foundation for the Cropilots promise, a promise of quality, reliability, and performance. So, are you ready to experience the Cropilots difference? Let's start this journey together.